Welcome to integrate this challenging and at the same time very interesting integral problem. The first step we are going to take is to rewrite pi. Recall that e to the power of ln a is equal to a, where a happens to be a constant. Take note of this. Since pi also is a constant, that means e to the power of ln pi is equal to pi. From this line, we're going to have integral from 1 to e. We will now replace this pi with e to the power of ln pi. So we have e to the power of ln pi times the power ln x ds. Let's continue. This is equal to integral from 1 to e of e. When we interchange these two guys, we have ln x times ln pi ds. Nothing has changed. This is equal to integral from 1 to e. What is e to the power of ln x? That is exactly x. Since e to the power of ln a is equal to a, that's how we arrive from here to this, to the power of ln pi ds. Also, recall that integral of x to the power of n ds is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where this c happens to be a constant of integration. Take note of this, very important. From this line, we're going to have, applying this property to this guy, we're going to have x to the power of ln pi plus 1 over ln pi plus 1, evaluating from 1 to e. So we have 1 to e. Let's proceed further. This is equal to, the upper limit is e, so we have e to the power of ln pi plus 1 over ln pi plus 1 minus, the lower limit is 1, so we have 1 to the power of ln pi plus 1 over the denominator ln pi plus 1. Close the bracket. This is equal to, considering this numerator, we can write it as e to the power of ln pi times e to the power of 1 over denominator ln pi plus 1 minus, this numerator could be written as 1 to the power of ln pi times 1 to the power of 1 over ln pi plus 1. This is equal to, what is e to the power of ln pi? That is exactly pi times e over ln pi plus 1 minus 1 to the power of any constant, that is 1. 1 times 1, we have 1 over ln pi plus 1. This is equal to, you will notice that the LCM here is ln pi plus 1. So we have ln pi plus 1 over ln pi plus 1 over ln pi plus 1, that is 1. 1 times pi e, that is pi e, minus ln pi plus 1 over ln pi plus 1, that is 1. 1 times 1, that is simply 1. We can now claim that, therefore, integral from 1 to e of pi to the power of ln x ds is equal to pi e minus 1 over ln pi plus 1. This is the required solution. That's it. Thanks for watching.